Before setting out your project, the best thing is to actually set out your calendars that's going to govern the project, the task within the project, or even the resource within the project. So I'm going to go to the project tab. I'm going to click on change working time. By default, you got standard night shift and 24-hour calendars, and you can then modify these calendars. I want to create my own. I'm going to click create new calendar, and let's call it sample calendar. And we can then say whether this is a new base calendar, or even we can make a copy of any of the other calendars that already has the information we need. Let's leave it as is and click OK. I'm going to go to exceptions, and in exceptions, I'm going to now put in any exceptions that's different from my set calendar. So any type of public holidays or any type of shutdown that will affect the project from running on that day. So I'm going to say there's a holiday on, let's say, the 10th of August. I'm going to double click it if it's a recurrence and say this is a non-working time. If it was a working time period that's different from the norm, then I would select it. Let's say this happens every year and I want to set it that it happens for the next 5 years and click OK. And there we go. As you can see, we've now set our exceptions. We can populate this all the way through in the same manner. But I'm going to go to work weeks, double click default, because this is where I've got my Sunday to Saturday. And here you can see you can use the default time. So if I go to Monday, if you can see you've got 8 to 12, 1 to 5. I'm going to leave it as that. But I'm going to say, let's say Thursday is a non-working time. Non-working time means that we're not going to be working on this project on that day. On Friday, I want to set to specific times. Let's say on a Friday, we actually start a bit earlier, 7. We still break at 12, but we then go to the end of the day at 3 o'clock and finish it off like this and click OK. And just like that, my calendar has been created.